out here in this cold. Like, this is the start of a new vlog. Yeah, so good morning. If you're new, my name is Peter Gay. If you're not new, welcome back to the channel. I'm in a park, a school park. It's Saturday morning, and this is what I'm doing first thing in the morning. This is not just for the vlog. I needed to do this for myself. So because I'm up early, do something with your time, sis. Don't just lay in the bed and be lazy. Get up. So I'm up, and I'm in the park working out, and I'm proud of myself because sis could have been watching Girlfriends Marathon. That's my favorite show. I could have been watching that. So that workout showed me how out of shape I am, bro. Like, what? That workout definitely told me about myself. Like, yeah, girl, you out of shape. You need to get it together. You need to get fit. Like, stop playing with yourself. Get your ass up and go do what you gotta do. Yeah, I'm gonna have to lay off being a foodie for a minute because no, baby. Put down the white bread, girl. Put it down. Put down the biscuits and the bread. I don't eat biscuits, but put down the bread. Put down the white bread, girl. Put that shit down. Okay. I'm gonna go home and go make a smoothie or something. Alright, so I'm back home, obviously. And I'm not gonna make a smoothie because I forgot that I had bought some chobani, Greek yogurt, mango, of course, because I love me some mango. And yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm like, I got yogurt right here. I don't feel like doing all the blender and all that right now. Mango on the bottom, so I gotta mix it. And expired January 20th, 2024. Good, because what? So the mango's at the bottom. This is what it looks like. Looks like cottage cheese. So the mango's at the bottom. They said, oh, it is. Look at the mango. Oh, look at the mango pieces in there. I love that. It smells, definitely smells good. See, y'all see the mango? Yeah, so let's taste this. Okay, it's not that bad. Let me taste it with the mango. Yep, that did it for me. Welcome back to the channel. So today is Tuesday, but I have an appointment right now in an hour, so I'm about to leave out to go do that. I have a package to unbox, and I honestly forgot what I ordered, so I have a package to unbox. And yeah, I'm about to go to my appointment. Then when I come back, I'm putting my little Christmas decorations, the little that I do have. It's not much, but I just want to feel a little festive, so I have that to do when I come back. I will see you guys at my appointment or when I get back.
Several hours later.
Oh, I found a house. I'm about to put this Christmas tree. I got one thing from Primark, cause I ain't come down here to shop. I just need to go eat something now. I'm gonna quench my thirst first. So it's been hours later. I went to my appointment, went to my friend's house, came home. Yeah, it's been a couple hours. So I have a package. I think I was saying that this morning. I have a package to unbox. Urban Skin RX. There, listen, like, I'm proof that they work. If I could find a picture when I used to use it, like my skin, I would say not 100% because I was still drinking juice and soda and all that stuff. But if I wasn't drinking juice and soda, my skin would have been perfect. But now, this time around, that's the plan, to stop drinking juice and soda and just drink water and start juicing. Yeah, so that's the plan for this time around. I ordered this one. The first time I ordered from them was a couple years ago. Oh yeah, so this is the cleanser. So let me show you what's in a box. This is how it comes in the box. But like, it's literally only a cleanser bar in the box. But if it's the first time ordering, they give you much more stuff in this. Like, they give you like the headband thing when you wash your face. They give you the yeah, so they give you these, but these are not from them. I ordered from Amazon. When it's the first time ordering, you get way more stuff in the box. But since it's not my first time ordering, it's like probably my third or fourth time ordering. So yeah, they ain't gonna give me none of that stuff. But so this is a cleansing bar. This is an even tone cleansing bar. It basically targets your dark spots and brighten your skin. Yeah, so this has acetic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, and two other things: glutathione, alpha arbutin. Yeah, and two more things I can't pronounce, so I'm not even gonna play myself. But yeah, I could definitely say y'all, this works. Like, I know this works for our skin. I can't speak for anybody else, but this worked for our skin. And I thought it was, at first I thought it was a black owned company, but it's not. It's definitely not. But it's fine because it works. Whatever they're doing, it works for us. All right, I can't open the damn thing. I don't want to rip the thing. But yeah, they have 3 different cleansing bars. I think the one I'm using right now is the clear skin cleansing bar. I feel like you can't use the same one throughout the entire year. Like, you have to switch it up. This is why I'm using this one now that it's winter. Since after the summer, you know, you get sunburn and all that stuff, I feel like this is the perfect time to use this one. And I've done that before, like I said, and it worked for my skin. So that's why I'm switching it up. This is like your makeup. Like, summertime, your shade is different, and then wintertime is different. So you have to switch it up. So I feel like it's the same thing with that. Yeah, I can't really see my dark spots. But yeah, so if you need something for dark spot and hyperpigmentation, I'm telling you, this works. This definitely works. I'm gonna open it and show y'all. Okay, so this is how it comes. So this is the cleansing bar. This is the even tone cleansing bar, 3-in-1 cleansing bar. So this is what I was showing y'all. This right here is the pads, the cleansing pads. So when you add water to it, it expands, and then so I can tell y'all for a fact it works. They have 3 different bars. I'm gonna put it on the screen, each of them on the screen for y'all to see. They have this one, that's the even tone. They have a clear skin bar, and they have a combination skin. They have a combination skin bar. So I guess each of them have different purpose, obviously, but depending on your skin type, then you'll know which one is best for you. And usually they always have a discount code, always. Like, they have a discount code majority of the time. If y'all don't know about this, I'm putting y'all on. Look at me over here promoting like I'm getting paid, y'all. But yeah, that's it for my little unboxing. I don't think I have anything else to unbox. Yeah, I just wanted to unbox this real quick so I can start using it. And matter of fact, I'm gonna take a picture of my skin to do before and after, and then come back in like 3 months and show y'all the results. I'm hungry, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, all of the above. So that's it for today. That's it for this portion of the vlog. So I just got done with my little Christmas setup. Put this back. Put that back there. But yeah, ideas now. Look at this. This looks cute. I'm getting ideas. I don't know which way to leave it. I'm gonna just leave it just like this. I feel like that's cute. It's something. That's the little setup. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday, and I'm about to head to the bank. I also want to do my nails today. Yeah, I haven't done my nails in a minute, so I also want to get my nails done today. I want to get my Christmas nails done today, but I have yet to decide which design I want to do. There's so many. Oh, ooh. Yeah, so I have to pull this, I have to put this all the way down here because my ear is pulling. So that's why I was opening out all the way down here. If y'all see that, I know. I know that's why my earring is. I put it that way because my ear is pulling. So in order for it not to stretch out. But yeah, I'm about to head to the bank. But yeah, so this is what I have under the Marine collagen eye gels. And I feel like if I'm consistent with these things, it will actually work for me. Yeah, I know they could tell you anything, but I feel like it's me. It's me. I'm not consistent with it. But yeah, so I'm about to head to the bank, and then hopefully the nail salon is only $3.45 right now. Oh yeah, I saw my little Christmas decor. Emphasis on a little because it's not much, but it's fine. It's so cute. For my Christmas hair, I want to change my hair. I was saying that in the last vlog that I want to change my hair, but I don't know if I should get another body wave because I love how body wave looks great on me, or should I do straight hair? I'm not really a fan of straight hair, honestly, because my cheek's too fat. My face is too chubby for straight hair, so I always stick with the body wave. So yeah, I have like 3 wigs I haven't worn yet. 2 black and 1 is a colored one, so I'll probably choose one of those. But yeah, I'm about to head out. Why is it not coming out? I'm just wearing this sweater top that I had got from, I think, Old Navy. And I put my bucket hat on. I think I'm going to put it on. So we're going to see. Without the bucket hat. Oh wait, let me take off this damn eye gels. Let's see. Really, oh, a little bit. It went down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be consistent with it and see if it helps my eye bags. But yeah, I feel like I should have worn it without it. All right, so I fixed the hair. The hair's fixed. So yeah, we about to head out now because it's damn near 4 o'clock and I gotta go. Bank goes at 5. Hey guys, so I just, well, not just came from the bank. I came from the bank like about an hour and a half ago, and yeah, I almost fell asleep. So let me get up and do this haul because I did go to Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree. I didn't get to do my nails because the salons were packed. Yeah, so since I didn't get to do my nails, it probably won't be in this vlog because I'm not going back to the salon no time soon. I'm gonna just wait until after Christmas, I guess, to do it for New Year's. I went to 3 different salons and it was packed, so I'm like, I'm not waiting. I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree, and that's what I did. So now I'm back home and I'm about to give y'all this little Dollar Tree haul. It's not much, it's not really nothing important. It's just some little necessities and some things I wanted to try. So let's get into this little haul. First thing first, I just got some pot holders because I needed some new ones. So I got that. I got some hand soap. This one is rosemary mint. So I got a vanilla honey dial hand soap. So I got 2 hand soap. And then I got these clips. I got these clips. This is like to keep this stuff closed. Like when you put a bag of chips or whatever, you want to keep it sealed in a way. But I saw like the actual sealer thing on Shein. I think I'm gonna get that instead. Yeah, I feel like the actual sealer will keep stuff more fresh than this, but I'm gonna use these for now. And then I got some charcoal face mask. And it's infused with hyaluronic acid and retinol. Yeah, you know, to clear and detoxify your skin. So, and also collagen. Yeah, has collagen too. I think I got another one. Oh yeah, and I have this tea tree one. Tea tree sheet mask with the tea tree oil. If y'all don't know, tea tree is really good for your skin. I used to have this tea tree oil. It stinks, but like if you got a pimple, like you know, during your cycle or when your cycle's about to come, you get a pimple in your face. You put tea tree oil on there, go to sleep, wake up, it sucks out whatever bacteria in the pimple. And then these drinks. I know this brand because I saw this brand on like YouTubers that use this brand, but it's more like the drinks, the canned ones. So this one is a protein coffee maple donut. So I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it and see how it tastes. I think I have another one though. So it's 2 of them. One is maple donut, one is vanilla. So I'm gonna try them. They're both coffee. I'm not really a coffee person, but I just wanted to try them and see if they taste good. I'm gonna drink them cold, of course. I feel like when I drink coffee cold, I forget that I'm drinking coffee. I have a lemonade. Old-fashioned lemonade. They always have different lemonades in the fridge, and I always want to try them when I see them, and I'm like, I need to try this one. So it's probably a little bitter, but only has 70 calories, so I'm gonna try it. And then the sparkling cider, so I have 2. Yeah, so this is the fake champagne, the sparkling cider. I've had this one before, but this one I've never tried this one. So, and then I bought 2 of these. Perfect. This is the most weirdest thing I saw in Dollar Tree. This is like what? They have Snickers iced coffee and Twinkie iced latte. What? This is weird. I'm not really a Twinkie fan, so it doesn't like, it's whatever, but Snickers is my favorite candy, so I really wanted to try this. It's gonna be cold. Everything's gonna be cold because I don't drink nothing hot. I think the next thing, oh, I have a friend date. I think I have a friend date coming up in the vlog. Yeah, I have a couple friend dates planned, but I think at least one friend date should be in this vlog. I think at least one. I'm gonna go to one of the holiday markets and something else. Oh, one of the Christmas bars. I don't know which one yet. There's a lot going on, so whatever I choose to do. I just don't want to do the same thing I did last Christmas. Yeah, so last year I did the holiday market at Bryant Park, so most likely it will not be Bryant Park this time. Yeah, so that's it for this Dollar Tree haul. I'm about to put one of these in the freezer because I'm drinking one of these tonight. Currently on my way out for a friend date. Of course we talk all the time or whatever, but hanging out physically, I think this will be the first time for the year. Like, y'all know how these adult friendships are. We see each other when we see each other. Yeah, we're gonna get some ramen and we might go ice skating. I don't know how to skate, but she know how to skate. And she's like, oh, it's easy. Mind you, it's ice skating. So I'm not sure about that, but we're gonna see what we get into. So I'm about to hop on the train.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, I got the clothes I'm wearing.
Let me fix my hat before I start chatting. I'm looking crazy on YouTube. So we're finally here. We finally got to this place. This place is so cute. Look at the background. Well, y'all just saw it, but we haven't seen each other in so long. It's been like a whole year, right? My Trini honey. Y'all know how adult friendships goes. This is how adult friendship go, but y'all know that. But yeah, we're about to get some food and chop it up.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just a low beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They taking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tame. They'd rather be wild. This is bandit. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. If us you out, hate me. Bring my products. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Calling good business from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gonna do? Up on the couch.
Okay, so we just got done eating our food. I'm stuffed. I'm hella stuffed. I'm about to leave out right now, but I didn't expect this bowl to be so big. Like, I did not expect it to be that big. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that big, so I'm finished it. I can't think about that whole. And I had some balls of water dumplings, so I'm about to leave out. This is not even a spot that we're supposed to go to. It's a whole different spot. It's called Vllo Ramen. This is not what you saw in the beginning of the video, but it's fine. This was a ramen date. It was cute. I was seeing my friend in a minute, so we had to catch up, you know, do girl talk and all that. But I'm gonna see you guys another day.